This is my shrimp scallop with onions and garlic that we're gonna eat tonight, and we might have a salad with this or some nice zucchini chip. We'll see. Let's watch part 2. All right, now we put the shrimp first. We're gonna let them become a little bit pink. We're gonna add some garlic. We're gonna add our scallops. They were pre-cooked, so there we go. Now that the shrimp are turning pink, we're gonna add our pre-cooked onion. We're gonna let that rest a little bit. All right, once they have a nice color like this, we're gonna add, and then we're gonna add some cream, some cheese, some cheese here. There we go. We're gonna let it rest. Your shrimp and everything is cooked and boiled a little bit in your cream and mix. What you do is put some egg yolk pasta in there. And voila. I'm gonna add a little bit of water, maybe half a cup, to make it very good. And you'll see the end of it. So watch this and watch that. That's what it looks like right now. It's boiling, and I just been informed that tastes delicious. It's delicious. You see, it looks great, and it's gonna taste great. It smells very good. It's gonna be ready in 2 minutes. I just stopped it before it was ready because we're not gonna eat right now. So this is it. We're gonna put this on top of it. It's gonna taste super great. Wait for the final. Here you go, people. It looks scrumptious.